Hey there! Just got your driver's license? Awesome. I'm here to help you master driving in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, adjust your seat and mirrors. Your seat should be comfortable, and you should have a clear view of the road and all mirrors. Safety first. Next, familiarize yourself with the controls. Take a minute to identify the gear shift, turn signals, wipers, and headlights. Know where everything is before you start moving. Now, let's talk about starting the car. Put your foot on the brake, insert the key, and turn it to start the engine. If your car has a start button, just press it while holding the brake. Ready to roll? Shift into drive if you have an automatic, or first gear if you're driving a manual. Slowly lift your foot off the brake and gently press the gas pedal. Smooth and steady wins the race. When it comes to steering, keep your hands at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. This gives you the best control over the car. Always be aware of your surroundings and use your mirrors frequently. Stopping is just as important as driving. Gradually press the brake pedal to come to a smooth stop. Avoid slamming on the brakes unless it's an emergency. Finally, practice, practice, practice. The more you drive, the more confident you'll become. Start in low traffic areas and progressively challenge yourself with more complex driving situations. So there you have it. Follow these beginner tips, stay calm, and happy driving. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you on the road. See.